Dawn is breaking, the stormy night. The battle is raging in ruthless plight. Soldiers giving their lives for a life. Defenders of freedom and right. Bravely they watch as the blazing sky gives proof through the first gleam of morning bright. For yonder, still waving their symbol of right. Oh, glory, the stars and the stripes. Oh, glory still stands for a country free. Its beauty held high for the world to see. With freedom, justice, and liberty, it's the stars and the stripes forever. From the halls of Pilate, they loudly cried, "We find him guilty, crucify, crucify." They mock him, crown him, pierce his precious side. Love carries what should have been mine. The sun was darkened, heaven cries. The nails have been driven, the Savior has died. Jesus has given his life for my life. I am free by his scars and his stripes. All glory and praise, I have been set free by the blood of the Lamb on Calvary. With mercy, freedom, and victory, it's the scars and the stripes forever. There's mercy, freedom, and victory in the scars and the stripes forever.